Numbers tell you the result. Charts show the decision. How do you set up a trading journal with charts included? Let's take a standard day trade that just closed out for a $50 loss. Start with symbol, entry, exit, stop, target, position size, and result. But numbers alone miss the exact market context. So then add chart screenshots to capture the price action. Overlay your tactical plan with entry and exit markers, stop loss lines, and target zones. But even a beautifully marked up chart can't explain your emotional state, or whether you broke your own rules in the heat of the moment. That's where the behavioral layer comes in. You add setup tags, mistake tags, and short notes directly to the visual record. TradeZella helps traders create a visual journal with chart review, trade replay, setup tracking, mistake tags, analytics, backtesting, and playbooks. And suddenly, that $50 loss is revealed by the charts to be a perfectly executed plan. Charts help you see what numbers miss. Try TradeZella through my link. Get 20% off through the link today.